Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we learn standard 9th science unit 23 economic biology lessonல book back answer ஃபுல்லாவே இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். ஓகேவா? Okay, first Roman choose the correct answer கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. First one என்ன? The production and management of fish is called four option கொடுத்திருக்காங்கமா. Which answer correct? Answer A, pisciculture. Second question, which one of the following is not an exotic breed of cow? Answer C, Sahiwal. Next, third one, which one of the following is an Italian species of honeybee? Answer A, Apis mellifera. Next, fourth one, which one of the following is not an Indian major carp? Answer D, Singara. Next, fifth one, drones in the honeybee colony are formed from. Answer A, unfertilized egg. Next, sixth one, which of the following is an high milk yielding variety of cow? Answer A, Holstein Friesian. Next, seventh one, which Indian variety of honeybee is commonly used for apiculture? Answer D, Apis indica. Next, eighth one, dash is the method of growing plants without soil? Answer B, hydroponics. Next, ninth one, the symbiotic association of fungi and vascular plants is? Answer C, mycorrhiza. Next, tenth one, the plant body of mushroom is? Answer B, mycelium. Next, second Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, quinine drug is obtained from dash, Syngona officinalis. Next, second one, Carica papaya leaf can cure dash disease. Answer dengue. Next, third one, vermicompost is a type of soil made by dash and microorganisms, earthworms. Next, fourth one, dash refers to the culture of prawns, spear and edible oysters. Answer aquaculture. Fifth one, the largest member in a honeybee hive is the dash. Answer queen bee. Next, sixth one, dash is a preservative in honey. Answer formic acid. Seventh one, dash is the method of culturing different variety of fish in a water body. Answer polyculture. Next, third Roman, say true or false. If false, correct the statement. First one, mycorrhiza is on algae. Answer false, correct statement. Mycorrhiza is a fungi. Second one, milk animals are used in agriculture and transport. Answer false, correct statement. Milk animals are domesticated for obtaining only milk. Next, third one, Apis flora is a rock bee. Answer false, correct statement. Apis flora is a little bee. Next, fourth one, Angle is an exotic breed of cattle. Answer false, correct statement. Angle is a dual purpose breed of cattle. Next, fifth one, sheep manure contains high nutrients than farmyard manure. Answer true. Next, fourth one, differentiate the following. First one, exotic breed and indigenous breed. Answer exotic breed, indigenous breed. Exotic breeds are imported from foreign countries. First point, indigenous breed are native to India. Second point, these foreign breeds are selected for long location periods. This one, these local periods show excellent resistance to diseases. Next, example, Jersey brown Swiss and Holstein Friesian. Example is Sahiwal, Red Sindhi, Dioni and Gir. Next, pollen and nectar பார்க்கலாம். Your answer pollen and nectar. First point, yellow powdery substance male part of the flower. It is essential for fruit formation. This is nectar. It is a sweet viscous secretion secreted by the flower of plants. Next, C வந்து shrimp and prawn. Shrimp and prawn differentiation பார்க்கலாம். Finite prawns are called shrimps. Non-finite prawns are called prawns. Example, Petrius indicus. இதுக்கு வந்து என்ன வரும்? இதுக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து Phaluman species, Macrophragia species. Next, farmyard manure and sheep manure. Farmyard manure and sheep manure. Farmyard manure, well decomposed farmyard manure contains 0.5% nitrogen, 0.2 percentage available phosphate and 0.5 percentage available potash. This one sheep manure, it contains 3% nitrogen, 1% phosphorus pentoxide and 2% potassium oxide. Is the answer. Next, match the following fifth Roman. Full questions column A, column B la கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. Lobsters, marine fish, catla, peril, sea bass, shellfish, oysters, birdie, finfish, certain species, psoriasis. Next என்னது சர்பங்கந்தா, oyster mushroom, olericulture, treasure pine, ரைட்டா டிங்டோரியா, வெஜிடபிள் ஃபார்மிங் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இதுக்கெலாம் ஆன்சர் என்ன நமக்கு கீழே பார்க்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் என்னது லாப்ஸ்டர்ஸ், ஆன்சர் செல்ஃபிஷ். செகண்ட் கேட்லா ஃபின்ஃபிஷ், சீபாஸ் மெரைன் ஃபிஷ், ஆயிஸ்டர்ஸ் பேரல், பொக்காலி பேடி, ஃப்ளூரோட்டஸ் ஸ்பீசிஸ் ஆயிஸ்டர் மஷ்ரூம். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு சர்பகந்தா ரெசர் பைன். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒலரிகல்ச்சர் வெஜிடபிள் ஃபார்மிங் ரைட்டா டிங்டோரியா சோரியாசிஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு சிக்ஸ்த் Roman answer briefly பார்க்கலாம். First question, what are secondary metabolites? Answer, all the major system of medicine such as Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, Homeopathy, Ayush use drugs obtained from plants and animals. These drugs from medicinal plants are called secondary metabolites. Next, second question, what are the types of vegetable garden? Answer, vegetable farming can be classified into first one, kitchen or nutrition gardening, commercial gardening, vegetable foraging. Next, third question, mention any two mushroom preservation methods. Answer, first one freezing, second one drying, third one canning, fourth one vacuum cooling, fifth one gamma radiation and storing at 15 degrees Celsius. இதில் 2க்கு தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்கம்மா. 2 மெத்தட்ஸ் எழுதுனா கூட போதும். Next, fourth question, enumerate the advantages of vermicompost over chemical fertilizers. Answer, advantages of vermicompost, it is a rich source of nutrients essential for plant growth. It makes the soil fertile. Second point, the improves the water holding capacity and helps to prevent soil erosion. Third point, contains valuable vitamins, enzymes and growth regulator substance for increasing growth, vigor and yield of plants. Next, it enhances decomposition of organic matter in soil. Next, vermicompost is free from pathogens and toxic elements. Next, vermicompost is rich in beneficial microflora. Okay, wow. Next, fifth question பார்க்கலாம். What are the species of earthworm used for vermiculture? Answer, among the best community of earthworms, only very few species can be used for vermicompost production. They are Pharynix excavatus, Indian blueworm, Aecinia foetida, redworms, Euryalus eugeniae, African night crawler. Next, sixth one, list the medicinal importance of honey. Answer, honey has an antiseptic and antibacterial property. It is a blood purifier. It helps in building up of hemoglobin content in the blood. It is used in Ayurvedic and Unani system of medicines. Next, it prevents cough, cold, fever and relieves sore throat. It is a remedy for ulcer of tongue, stomach and intestine. It enhances digestion and appetite. Next, seventh Roman answer in detail பார்க்கலாம். First question, enumerate the advantage of hydroponics. Answer, hydroponics was demonstrated by a German botanist Julius von Sachs in 1980. Advantages, crops can be grown in places where the land is limited, does not exist or is heavily contaminated. The climate, temperature, humidity, light intensification, the composition of the air can be monitored. Conservation of water and nutrients, controlled plant growth, minimal use of insecticides or herbicides. The deserts and Arctic regions, hydroponics can be an effective alternative method. Hydroponics is successfully employed for the commercial production of seedless cucumber and tomato. Next, second question, define mushroom culture, explain the mushroom cultivation method. Answer, mushroom cultivation is a technology of growing mushrooms using plant, animal and industrial waste. Example, button mushrooms, Agaricus bisporus, oyster mushroom, pleurotus species, Purdy, straw mushroom, Volvarilia, Volvaceae. The cultivation takes 1 or 3 months. Major stages of mushroom cultivation are explained below. First one, composting. Compost is prepared by mixing paddy straw with number of organic materials like cow dung and inorganic fertilizers. It is kept at about 50 degrees Celsius for 1 week. Next is spawning. Spawn is the mushroom seed. It is prepared by growing fungal mycelium in grains under sterile conditions. Spawn is sown on compost. Next, gassing. Compost is covered with a thin layer of soil. It gives support to the growing mushroom, provide humidity and helps regulate the temperature. Next, pinning. Mycelium starts to form little bud which will develop into mushroom. Those little white buds are called pins. Harvesting. Mushroom grow better in 15 degrees Celsius to 23 degrees Celsius. They grow 3 centimeter in a week, which is the normal size for harvesting. In the third week, the first flesh mushroom can be harvested. Next, third question. What are the sources of organic resource for vermicomposting? Answer. Biologically degradable organic waste are used as potential organic resources for vermicomposting. They are agriculture waste, crop residue, vegetable waste, sugarcane trash. Crop residues, rice straw, tea waste, cereal and pulse residues. Rice husk, tobacco waste, coir waste. Next, leaf litter. Next, fruit and vegetable waste, animal waste, cattle dung, poultry droppings, pig slurry, goat and sheep droppings, biogas slurry. Next, fourth question. Give an account of different types of fish ponds used for rearing fish. Fishes. Answer. Fish farm requires different types of pond for the various developmental stage of fish growth. They are given below. First one, breeding pond. Healthy and sexually mature male and female fishes are collected and introduced in this pond for breeding. The eggs released by the female are fertilized by the sperm and the fertilized eggs float in water as prothymos. Next, catching pits. The fertilized eggs are transferred to catching pits or catching hoppas for catching. இதில் hoppas for catching கன்டினியூவாக ரைட் பண்ணிங்க. Next, nursery ponds. The hatchlings are transferred from hatching pits after 2 to 7 days. The hatchlings grow into fry and are cultured in these ponds for about 60 days with proper feeding till they reach 2 to 2.5 centimeter in length. Next, rearing ponds. Rearing ponds are used to culture the fry. The fish fry are transferred from nursery pond to rearing ponds and are maintained for about 3 months till they reach 10 to 15 centimeter in length. In these rearing ponds, the fry develops into fingerlings. Next, stocking pond. The stocking pond is also called as culture pond or production pond. These ponds are used to rear fingerlings up to the marketable size. Next, fifth question. Classify the different breeds of the cattle with a suitable example. Answers. The Indian cattle include cow and buffaloes. They are domesticated for milk, meat, leather, and transportation. They belong to different species. Bos indicus Indians, cows and bulls, and Bovalis buffaloes. These cattle animals are reared for milk and farm labor. They are classified into three types: dairy breeds, draft breeds, dual purpose breeds. First, பார்க்கலாமா dairy breeds. Dairy animals are domesticated for obtaining milk. The cow's milk production females are high milk yielders. Milk animals. The dairy breeds are indigenous breeds, exotic breeds. Indigenous breeds are native of India. They include Sahiwal, Red Sindhi, Deoni, and Gir. These cattle are well built with strong limbs, prominent hump, and loose skin. Milk production depends on the duration of the lactation period, the period of milk production after the birth of a calf. These local period animals show excellent resistance to diseases. Next, exotic breeds, Bos Taurus, are imported from foreign countries. They include Jersey, Brown Swiss, and Holstein Friesian, etc. These foreign breeds are selected for long lactation periods. Next, drought and draft breeds. These are used for agriculture work such as tilling, irrigation, and horting. These include Amidamagal, Kangeyam, Amblachari, Malvi, Siri, and Holikar breeds. Bullocks are good draft animals, while the hows are poor milk yielders. Next, dual purpose breeds. The cows of these breeds provide milk and the bulls are useful for farm work. In India, these breeds are favored by farmers. They include Haryana, Angle, Kankrich, and Darbarkar. Next is 8th Roman, higher order thinking skills. First one, biomanuring plays an important role in agriculture. Justify answer. Biomanure also known KNOWN மந்திரத்தில் spelling biomanure also known வந்து KNOWN known as organic manures or predominantly derived from plant debris, animals feces on microbes. They make the soil fertile by adding nutrients like nitrogen. They are eco-friendly. Biomanure is easy to generate and very economical. Some examples of biomanure or animal manure, vermicompost and green manure. Next, second question. Each beehive consists of hexagonal cells. Name the material in which the cell is formed and mention the signification of the hexagonal cells. The home of the bees is formed mainly by the secretion of the wax glands present in the abdomen of the worker bee. A comb is a vertical sheet of wax with double layer of hexagonal cells. ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ டு ஆல்.